In today's video, I'm going to represent to you a new method that you are going to get paid a lot of money for doing it. And guys, this is really easy and the only requirement from you will be just to hear out everything that I'm going to explain throughout this video, which I will guide you step by step. Now guys, have in mind that this won't be something difficult, won't require you to have any special skills or any knowledge in fact. And the best part of it is that it's worldwide available. So you don't have to worry where you're living right now because everyone can use it and of course get paid from it. So make sure you have a good and a strong internet connection, have your computer in front of you because now we are going to jump into those details. Now before I do that, first I would like to ask you for a little support by subscribing to our YouTube channel but also turn on the notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now guys, let me represent to you without wasting any more time with the website that is going to make us earn money today. And that is called CpaLead, which probably you have heard a lot about it. CPA stands for cost per action. So every action that someone does on the link that you are going to share, it's going to make you earn money. So CpaLead delivers installs for Android and iOS apps by connecting mobile app developers and CPE networks. So you can become a publisher or an advertiser and you can earn a lot of money. If you become a publisher, you are going to have access to the affiliate market, which we are going to do right now. So sign up over here as a publisher and you are going to have your account. As soon as you sign up and create your account, the next step will be going over to the dashboard. So to the dashboard, you are going to keep a track of all of your earnings. Now guys, here you have the statistics, the content looking, offer wall also, and post back and your account. At the account option, you are going to see your payments and also the rewards that you are going to get. So if you go over here down below, you're going to check out all of the options of the countries, which I told you that is worldwide available. So your country is also over here, so don't worry about this part. Now you can search up for every offer type, which I will totally recommend to you. And also devices should be all. Now down below, you're going to see a bunch of different offers. You're going to see that most of the offers are earn something. So guys, basically you're going to promote mostly offers that people would earn something from it. It's not just basically a product or something physical that people can touch and they have to make a purchase to get it. In fact, this is going to be much easier. People just have to sign up with their email or their phone number or just a username and you're going to get paid for doing that. And this is a win-win situation because they're going to have a chance of earning money and also you are going to get paid for them of clicking on the link that you're going to share. To have access to the link of any offer, just click on the offer and then copy the affiliate link over here. You can also get the information about this offer and of course everything else that you need. Now guys, the money, it's not a lot. It can be $2, $3 per each of these affiliate links. But don't worry about this part because I'm going to show you where you can have access to a lot of traffic that you are going to drag down to your affiliate link and make you get paid a lot. So jump over to CpaLead and Bitly first of all because we need to shorten a little bit the link that we are going to get because it's too long and confusing and a lot of people would not want to click on that. So please do this step because it's really important. So after finishing up with all of this, now go over to Canva. Now you need to create an account because we're going to create a design that is going to promote the product that we are going to share, which is basically an offer. So let's say that it's an offer about winning an iPhone 30. So you need to go over to Google and search up for iPhone 30 Pro PNG and you're going to find a lot of pictures PNG. So just click on one of that which you think it's the best to promote a product and then go over to Canva and create a design. Now, I have already created the design, guys, so what you will have to do is just stop the video, check what I have written, and you can do the same as me. I basically created a giveaway. So iPhone 30 Pro Summer 2022 giveaway. Win a free iPhone 30 Pro. To enter the free giveaway, follow these steps, retweet this post on your feed, tag one friend who would love to win this, click on the link in bio to submit your entry. Please complete all the steps. So let's not tell ourselves that we have never participated on giveaways, because we have done, and people cannot resist these types of giveaways in which they can earn something which is really cool. An iPhone 13 is a really cool thing to win for free. So they can participate for free, and they just need to do these easy steps that everyone can do. But guys, they're going to do these easy steps and you're going to earn money for them doing this. Now you can do for any type of things that you're going to find on CPA. So let's say you find an offer about GoPro 8 PNG and you're going to search it up on Google. Just write down the name of the product and put the PNG, and you're going to get really great quality pictures with no background at all. And you can put it on Canva and do it just like this, like I have done. Now, we are probably need to ask ourselves where we are going to share this post. Well, exists a lot of different social medias that you can share giveaways. Mostly people share this on Instagram or Facebook or any other platform that exists. But today I'm going to use a platform which probably you never thought about it. And I'm talking about Twitter. And I know that you didn't think about it because Twitter, you probably have this in mind that it's not really spread or not used a lot by people. Well, you're wrong, because a lot of people these days use Twitter and they love it. So you're going to post that thing that we created on Canva on Twitter, just like I have done already. So iPhone 30 Pro Summer 2022 giveaway, win a free iPhone 30 Pro. And things like this, just like I have written on the post already. Now guys, you're going to share it, and don't worry if you don't have any followers on Twitter. Now I'm going to show you how you can lead a lot of people to this post really easily, and we are going to do that for free with the help of phantombuster.com, which offers us a free trial. Now this is a new area of lead generation. Now guys, you are going to get automatically a lot of followers. How so? Because when you're going to put the post over at Phantom Buster, they're going to search up for people who are interested on getting an iPhone. So people usually that are following Apple. So they're, let's say, people that are interested on an iPhone 30. So they're going to get a follow from you and they will get this notification. They are going to check your profile. They're going to see this post, and of course they're going to participate because it's for free, and why not? It's a chance to win an iPhone 13 Pro. So this is how it's going to work out. Now guys, you have the free trial option, but if you want more features, then you can of course invest some money. Now thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.